Hey everyone, if you're into 3D design, you've probably heard of SolidWorks and Inventor. Both are top CAD software, but which one's better for you in 2025? Let's break them down. First up, SolidWorks, made by Dassault Systems. It's a favorite for mechanical engineers because it's super user-friendly. You can create complex 3D models, assemblies, and detailed drawing with ease. Its strength, a clean interface, and powerful tools like parametric modeling, which lets you tweak designs fast. SolidWorks also shines in simulation, like testing how parts handle stress, and it works great for manufacturing industries. Plus, it has a huge community for support and tutorials. Now, Autodesk Inventor. This software is awesome for engineers who need precise 3D modeling and integration with other Autodesk tools like AutoCAD. Inventor is great for designing big assemblies like machinery or steel frames, and it has strong simulation tools too. It's a bit cheaper than SolidWorks and offers flexible subscription plans. Inventor's workflow can feel more rigid, but it's a solid choice if you're already using Autodesk products. So how do they stack up? SolidWorks is easier to learn and more intuitive, making it perfect for beginners or those who want a smooth workflow. Its advanced sketching and modeling tools are great for complex designs in industries like consumer electronics. Inventor, though, is better if you're in an Autodesk ecosystem or need to work with other Autodesk software. It's also more budget-friendly, but its mates and assembly tools can be trickier to use. For job opportunities, SolidWorks has a bigger market share, so it might give you an edge in manufacturing roles. So who wins? If you want ease of use and industry popularity, go with SolidWorks. If you're on a budget or tied to Autodesk tools, pick Inventor. Try their 30-day trials to see what fits your vibe. Thanks for watching, and let us know your pick in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos.